we were talking yesterday, Rick, you might talk about, because everybody's going to go, well, I don't know if I want to get into it because AI is going to blow us up. There's not going to be any reason for me on AI. What would be your argument with that?
I get that question from students a lot. If we go down this career path, what's the AI impact look
Right.
forward? And the reality is, and there's a lot of literature on it, what AI is going to do is it's going to replace a lot of the menial tasks in the business, a lot of the repetitive tasks. It's going to replace a lot of time spent just data gathering,
Yes.
and it'll do all that for you. And so what it's going to leave is the more intellectually rich roles that require people to make sense of the data and the information that AI will gather and organize for you. But we will still need people to make sense of that, to be able to convey it in a way that the clients, the people that need risk management tools and advice understand. And because of the dynamic nature of risk, the ability to stay on top of that and move with the nuances and help organizations navigate it. So all the literature I look at says that the AI is not going to be a threat as far as opportunities in the industry, but it'll enrich the opportunities in the industry.
I think it's going to take a lot of the grind out of it. You know what I mean? Like you're going to be able to do, like you said, the intellectually challenging things and helping people understand their exposure. And if you're in an organization like, hey, these are our black swan type of things that could happen to us, let's do something about it. And a lot of the things where you're trying to grind through paperwork and gather data, I think the AI is going to do a lot of that stuff as we go forward.
Well, the approach of
Yeah.
the program at Texas Tech, in my approach, I embrace AI from the beginning. I think these students need to leave Rawls and Texas Tech knowing how to use those tools. And, there's some academics, not just at Tech, but there are some academics that are concerned about AI. My syllabus that says we embrace AI, we encourage you to use it. And so it allows us to build a case study using AI, and it can do all. And so we get to spend time on, what does that information mean? And what do you do with
Right.
it? And how can you use it to help an organization get where they want to get? And that's fun. That's, let me tell you, somebody had to start this curriculum from scratch. Wonderful. Oh, to me.
Got it up in 10 minutes. Here
I
we
will
go. We
tell
got the
you.
syllabus.
Exactly.
I will tell you though, and I think anybody that's using AI will tell you
I
this:
know.
garbage in is garbage out. That hadn't
I
changed.
know.
You got to know what questions to ask and then how to validate and interpret what's coming back.
That's a good point. But that's the thing I like about the kind of the future of the industry is it kind of used to narrow it down to kind of the more the introverted, it's studious, which there's going to be a part of that. But the communication side of things for the people who like to, and the people who can communicate the data, who can communicate what they find and can openly find a way to put that in a term where a CFO or somebody on the line or somebody in marketing, where you can understand how it all comes together. For those people who like that sort of stuff, that piecemealing, but being able to share and communicate, I think you're going to start seeing risk managers more in that role needed for that role. If a lot of the mundane stuff, of course, you got to have people doing the back end paperwork, but I think it opens the door for people with some of those additional skills that might not have thought about it.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think it sounds awesome. So